Good day. My name is Lance Adrian J. Rivera, a second-year Information Technology student of the Institute of Information and Computing Sciences under the University of Santo Tomas. And we're going to talk today about operating system structures. The first structure that we're going to discuss today is the simple structure. This type of operating system structure was used by the original MS-DOS and Unix systems during the early stages of the development of computing technology. This type of structure was limited by the hardware capabilities of its era, most especially the input and output devices and ports. This type of structure is also vulnerable to malicious programs. The structure works when the user inputs commands into the command interpreter. In turn, these commands trigger system calls that interface with the kernel, and then these commands are relayed by the kernel to the hardware of the computer to get the desired output of the users. The second structure is called the layer approach. This type of structure or approach gives the operating system more control over the computer. This approach or structure promotes modularity and object-oriented programming strategies in order to simplify the design, construction, and debugging of programs. The innermost layer of this approach is called layer 0 and is usually composed by the hardware of the computing device. And it is immediately followed by the kernel, which interfaces with the hardware to achieve or finish the commands of the users. And the next layers are to be determined by the programmers. They can add or deduct layers as they please without altering the user interface of the operating system. And the last layer is called layer N, which is the user interface of the operating system. This is used to interact with the hardware and the software of the computer. Apple Incorporated co-founder and Pixar Studios founder Steve Jobs once said, "We've gone through the operating system and looked at everything and asked how we could simplify this and make it powerful at the same time." Operating system efficiency and simplicity should be one of the developers' main goals today. Once again, my name is Lance Adrian J. Rivera of the University of Santo Tomas, wishing you a good day and thank you for watching.